Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to do a demo showing you the difference between the new NARS Rêvé Salé palette, or just Rêvé Salé, and the Anastasia and Amrezy palette. So if you're curious about either one of these, just keep watching. So I'm going to start off by applying the Rêvé Salé palette. There's 3 different shades. You have kind of a pale gold, a light pink, and a rose gold color, and what I've been doing is mixing the first 2 shades together, and I'm using a Morphe M501, and I'm just gonna go like that because why not? And just applying it to the tops of my cheeks. And I find with this highlighter, it's not sparkly at all. It's actually pretty subtle, which I like. I've mentioned it before on my channel that they kind of all do the same thing. They give the same effect. I mean, obviously there's different formulas and stuff, but you know, I decided to try out these new ones and thought, what the heck. So there's the first 2 shades of the Rêvé Salé palette. I've been liking it. There isn't any sparkles in it, maybe. No, there's not really any sparkles in it. It's very subtle, very good for like everyday wear. So next we have the Anastasia Amrezy palette. It's very pretty. It's a very pale gold color, and I'm going to apply this using the Sephora Pro Contour brush, but I use it for highlight. And I'm just going to dig in there. And I actually think I've found a dupe, like an exact dupe for this highlight. And this highlighter is definitely a lot more blinding than the Rêvé Salé. I hope I'm saying that right. Rêvé Salé, Rêvé Sale, something like that. So this one's pretty. Does, for me, it kind of emphasizes a little bit of texture, but it's a pretty color. I like the pale gold. So I don't know if you can even see the difference on camera. I mean, I don't know. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Can you tell the difference? Do you need both of them? So the dupe I found for the Amrezy highlighter palette is actually an eyeshadow. And when I first saw this come out, I thought of this eyeshadow immediately. I thought, wow, that's like, it looks like it could be the same color, and I think it is. And this is the Makeup Forever ME512. I'm pretty sure the shade is called Golden Beige. I don't know if you can tell, but they are like almost the exact same color, and they feel like the exact same formula. This is like a gel powder formula, which is what I believe the Amrezy highlighter is. And they are very, very similar in color. So there's the ME512 eyeshadow, and then I'll swatch the Amrezy right beneath it. They feel like so similar. Okay, here's the Amrezy one. I think the Amrezy highlighter might be a little bit more yellow. Yeah, it's a little bit deeper, but they're so similar, and they give the same exact effect. Yeah, so anyways, I hope you guys liked this demo. I was really curious about both of them. I didn't want to get both of them, but I heard so many different mixed reviews. So I hope this helps any of you who's trying to decide between the 2, because I think they're both limited edition. So yeah, comment down below your thoughts and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.